Good luck.
Leave the grid for the formation lap here at the circuit de la Sarthe. We are just moments away from the start of this iconic race.
Already, and listen, you've got to be smart going into turn one. The tyres are still cold.
Oh, contact in the back.
Yeah, we've seen the BMW and the Aston Martin.
Okay, here we go. Mulsanne Straits. A high of 340 kilometers per hour here. You gotta build in enough time to brake before chicane 1.
Yes, okay. Cut this 1,000 tons.
Well, not in reality. Watch your speed.
Into the first chicane around the outside, and it's a lovely move put on there by Jan Mardenborough.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Watch those GT3s. You're way faster than them. I see Schulin. Come on, Jan, stay on him.
On your left, Ferrari's too slow. Watch out.
No. Nice!
You get tagged by the Ferrari. Schulin up in the air.
Is he okay?
Drapeau jaune, nous avons une voiture et des débris sur le circuit. What's he saying? Was it young?
Schulin climbs out of the car.
Making his way out, and that's good to see from the fire marshals.
Safety car is over the track. Stay focused. All right, they're pulling him out. He seems all right.
After that impact, it's a miracle the car is in one piece and the driver could walk away.
Get behind that safety car. Okay, keep your head in, all right? Focus. All right, safety's out. Race back on. Let's go. Come on! Come on, you hear me? Hey, buddy. Hey, Jan. Hey, stay with me, okay? Stay with me. Look, safety's left, okay? You're gonna make up some time. Jan. Jan, talk to me, pal. Jan, hey. Hey, Jan.
Is it a car problem or is it a head issue, Will?
It would be early for anything to be wrong with that car, which has shown good pace.
Bitch.
Jack!
We need to bring him in.
Then do something. Just
get his head back in this game.
Dude, what the hell? Turn it off!
Cut it off! Now! Cut it off!
Okay, let me. Oh God! Oh God! I don't know how to. I told you I don't know how to work these things.
Shit! Jack! Cut it off! Now!
You mad, bro?
Yes! Yes, I'm mad!
Yeah! Well, get mad! It's about time! Come on, get in the fight! I know you're scared. I've been scared. Whether you like it or not, you are in this race. So you take all that Kenny G anger and you unleash it. You hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right. Go get him!
Like he suddenly remembered he was a racing driver. Absolutely phenomenal display by the debutant here in that Nissan.
All right, you coming up on the load is 3 seconds ahead. You have the same power on the straight, but if you get in the corner, you'll be able to pass him, all right?
Go copy, let me concentrate, old man.
Yeah, all right, roger that, Cop.
Beautiful stuff from Jan Mardenborough and from this Nissan team.
Yes! All right. Now we only got 150 laps to go.
Well, he pulled that first stint back, and Jan Mardenborough into the pits for the first driver change for Nissan.
Fast up there, man. Let's go, man.
Let's go, let's go, let's go! Adios! Don't rush it.
I'm going to take the inside line, Jack.
Yes.
Maybe you boys can actually drive.
No, we can drive.
Well, yeah, the jury's still out.
Let's go.
Jan's doing great, isn't he?
You think so?
You're joking, mate. He's razzing it. I can't believe it. He's doing amazing.
Nice and softly, nice and smooth.